On this Republic Day, let's move together with balance, strength, and unity. We begin with Tadasana, grounding the body, aligning the spine. Moving into a Triyak Tadasana, opening the sides of the body and improving balance. Now it's a full triangle pose. Now into the full triangle pose, stretching the hips, shoulder, and your chest. Now go for sides down, maintain the posture, breath deeply, stay stable. Now transition into goddess pose, activating the legs, inner strength, your hip, groin areas, your shoulder, and your ankle stability, your knees stability. Now moving into Malasana. Coming into Malasana, now first variation on your side stretch and your spine mobility. It's a very good asana for PCOD and PCOS and your improving digestion system. Now it's a pelvic stretch. Second variation, creating pelvic stretching to release lower body tension and stuck emotions. Remove your stuck emotions. Now, third variation is engaging and stretching the thigh muscles and completely your ankle balancing and control. Now, moving into a Mool Bandhasan. Now, settling into Mool Bandhasan, engaging the core and pelvic muscles. Now, returning to Tadasana, slowly returning to Tadasana, completing the flow with awareness. Yoga unites, just like our nation. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.